Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through setting up an economy bot on Discord. Click Invite Tracker in the left sidebar to open that server. Click the Test Accounts server dropdown at the top left. Select App Directory from the menu to open the Discover page, where you can browse and add apps to your server. Click the search bar at the top, type Economy Bot, and hit Enter to search. The results page loads with matching bot listings. Click the Economy Bot card in the results to open its listing page with the bot's description and features. Click the Add App button at the top right to open the authorization window. Click the Select a Server dropdown and choose the server you want to add the bot to from your list of servers. Click Continue to move to the permission screen. Click Authorize to grant the bot access to your server with the requested permissions. Click the I am human checkbox to complete the CAPTCHA verification. Once authorized, click the three dots button, then select Go to Test Accounts server. Close the authorization screen and head back to your server. Then click the message box in any text channel. Type /setup and select the setup command from the list that appears. This initializes the economy system for your server. Press Enter to run the setup command and configure the bot for your server. A confirmation message appears showing the setup is complete. Click the message box again and type /economy. Select the /balance command from the command list. Click the user option and select a server member to check their balance from the dropdown. Press Enter to execute the command and display their economy balance on screen. If the bot doesn't respond after setup, double-check the bot has access to the channel you're typing in by reviewing your channel permissions. You can customize currency names and earn rates by using the /settings command after setup is complete. The balance command works on yourself too. Just leave the user field blank to check your own coins. And that's how to set up an economy bot on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.